Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Got a big decision to make today, this evening. Today's October the 31st, Monday. The 5th is Saturday of November. That's the ACME Southern Nationals. And I've got to make a decision of what I'm going to carry with me. Fred Henry recently asked me, what am I carrying, how many? And I said probably like 2. And he said, really, that's all? But then I got to thinking, I'm going to carry not just mine, I'm going to also carry Miss Heather's trucks. we're going to enter her truck. And Ruthie is we're going to enter her car. I guess they have a junior category. That's one thing that I don't follow a lot. It's hard to follow, is like, what's the categories? I saw on the Southern Nationals flyer it had a few categories, but like, is there a junior class, is there a small scale class, large scale class? Because I was also thinking about possibly taking my little Ren wall here, my little 148 scale Ren wall. Not that it's a show winner, but it's cool and it's an old kit. Maybe display it with its box next to it. I think that would be really cool. Also, I was considering maybe taking the 48 Ford, the IMC, and try, because the box is not a big box, displaying it with one of the boxes. I don't know how they are about table space, taking up space. I know some people will have displays and things like that. I don't know how that works. I guess it's just you get there and put what you want to, as long as it's not ridiculously large. But that's what I've got to do. I definitely want to take my 2 street rods. Fred Henry and I will be placing our Oldsmobiles next to one another. Maybe hooking bumpers, and I know the Ford would definitely outpull the old Oldsmobile he's got under the hood of his. But anyway, so I'll take my 2 Pro Streets here. Probably take the little Ren wall. Definitely take Heather's truck and Ruthie's car. And it's like, I don't know if I'll carry. I really was thinking about maybe taking my my Mercedes. It turned out really nice. Again, this is not in any way, this is no way am I thinking that I would win this show or even place. That's not even the point. It's just taking them to oh, I forgot something. Just realized it. Excuse me. It's just taking something to put on the table to represent yourself. I am also going to carry, excuse me, Kevin Morgan's, the late Kevin Morgan's Grumpy's toy here. So that'll be displayed. Got to get that picture of Kevin printed out. I just don't know. I mean, do they have a tractor class? Because I've got my little Porsche tractor right there. Carry it. Do they have a space class? I know they don't. I'm just joking. Ruthie did that Millennial Falcon, this little teeny thing, along quite a while back. Boy, she has got the little touches all over that thing. It is just covered in detail. But so I'm going to pull some kits down, and that would be maybe that Nova right there that I put the Chrysler 300 wheels. That actually is a nice looking car. All right, so I'll pull some down, talk about them. We'll see. Stand by. All right. Maybe this is just too darn many, but these are the ones I pulled down. I forgot all about my sports car there, and I actually forgot about Heather's Jeep. Didn't even think about that. I need to. Dang, forgot about that. Anyway, well, these things look really nice and shiny under this light. I don't know. I'll have to. You know, I felt bad for this old guy. He was pre model car videos, my first weathering job, and just a cool old kit. I just can't get enough of this when I get it down and look at it. I just love it. It was a great kit. This is a great building kit, so if you ever want to build a nice kit, a 53 Ford is a great one to build by give us monogram. Let's see, where the heck is it? No, it's an AMT truck. AMT 53 Ford. There's Kevin's car. I have to reattach the rear bumper. I was maybe my Volkswagen truck. Excuse me, guys. I've had a cough and it's hard to. It starts to come on and it's hard to shake. But the Volkswagen truck is really cool. Hasagawa. And there's the 48 Ford with the doors open. Heather's truck, Ruthies Chevelle. The Pro Street Oldsmobile with a Ford engine, yes. And the Ford with a Chevy engine, I don't know about that. 40 Ford. And the miniature little guy. Because you only pay a single registration fee. So you can enter as many as you want. That's from what I read. So, I've got a lot of, if I do these, I've got a lot of registration forms to put, or to fill out, which I do not like doing. And I just realized something a while ago. A commenter, when I did my, what the heck was this thing? Skyline, I forget, Oshima? Aoshima, that's what it is. When I did this, I forgot the windshield decal. So I'm going to have to put that on because there was something that was naked about this. And I never realized that I forgot to put the windshield decal on. So I'll be putting that on. This thing turned out really nice. It's not a show winner. I put a little extra time and detail on the inside, but not a show winner, I don't think, at all, because I've seen what goes there. But it did turn out really nice. I love my 40. Just love it. My first kit bash that turned out, I mean, I kit bashed a little when I was a kid, but nothing like this. So it turned out really nice. Got the big block Chevy. I put all my money in my paint, so I couldn't afford a good engine. So I had to go to a Chevrolet. You know how it goes. You can only afford what you can afford. But with the the Oldsmobile, I had saved up more money, so I was able to get a real engine, and I went ahead and got the 429 Boss, and we got it going. So yeah, we got the Boss Hemi 429 Boss under the hood, looking sweet. Ruthies Chevelle with the MCW. I forget what green it is. But anyway, Ruthie did a great job on this. Not the easiest car to build. Had some, definitely has some issues on it of its own. Just in the old worn out kit. Had a lot of cleanup, but she did a wonderful job on this. I can't get the hood to go back down. Then Miss Heather with her Christmas tree in the back. We need to put, well, I guess we need some hay bales and put some pumpkins in the back of hers for the show. Excuse me. We've got a couple hay bales and pumpkins that my friend Ian sent me. So there's her 55 monogram Ford. She did an outstanding job on it. She has a very classy taste. Such a clean job. She did wonderful. The old 48 IMC Ford. That was the biggest pain in the neck I think I've ever experienced as far as model building goes. Would I build it again? Probably so. I would. I had a lot of fun experiencing what a kid back in the 60s would have experienced when they built one of these. So would I do it again? Probably. And I learned a lot of little tricks. So there is the 48 Ford. And I think that would look really neat sitting on its vintage box. And again, the Hasagawa Volkswagen with the bare metal foil Volkswagen emblem there on the front. It turned out really nice in the wood slats in the back. Kevin Morgan's Grumpy's Toy. That will definitely be, you guys be looking out for this one. And I can't wait to honor Kevin by having his car at ACME. Can't wait. And then the old 53 Ford, first time weather job, just looks great to me. I think it's the neatest old truck. But yeah, that's it. I think I'll get these cleaned up and make final decisions, get the decal on the windshield. Make final decisions though, like do I really want to fill out that many entry forms? But I think this might be the group that goes this year. So a lot of fun. Thanks guys for watching this video. Let me turn this around. I just took off my glasses, so it's going to be a blurry mess. Trying to even look at my own self. Yeah, I look good because I can't see myself. I'm so blurred. But anyway, thanks for watching this video. If you have any recommendations, I'll try to drop this video tonight, so it should come out. It probably will come out tonight. Man, this is bright. Hold on just a second. There we go. About categories. You ACME veterans, are there junior classes? Are there junior classes? I think it is a junior class because I saw Clay Kemp's son was in a class, but it may have been just he was in an adult class. Is there a women's class? Is there a small scale, large scale? I'm not going to enter my Model T, the large scale, although it's cool. But tell me in the comments if you don't mind. Layout. I'll go and look on the. I'll go to the website and try to figure this out. But I'm sometimes a dummy when it comes to that stuff. So help me out if you don't mind in the comment section. What's the categories? That race car, what does it go in? It's a road race car. It's not like a street car or anything. Then my 2 Pro Streets. And then I've got my stock pickup Volkswagen, stock pickup 53 Ford, and Heather's is not quite stock. I don't know. So you guys know what I'm entering. Let me know in the comments. Help me to decide what classes I need to put these things in, because I better get busy, because we're leaving Friday morning, heading up to Atlanta, and can't wait to see some of you guys there. I'm curious to see who and all is going to be there this year. I know a lot that aren't, but maybe I'll get to see a lot of new faces and have time to talk to you guys and make some great videos and see all these amazing builds that they have there. But anyway, I'm done, and we will see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to check out Hobby Nut Models. The majority of these vehicles here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them, 8 out of 10 have MCW paint on them. It's a great product. Go check it out. MCW paints over at Hobby Nut Models. Linked in the description of this video. Facebook group, thank you guys for all your participation over there. Spring store purchasers, thank you for buying t-shirts, coffee mugs, stickers, and all those things. I greatly appreciate your support in that way, and thank you to my Patreon members. And hey guys, we'll see you at ACME, if not before, on another video. Probably before, but I plan to see you guys at ACME. So you take care. See you then. Be careful.